Hello YouTube. I have problem today in my Galaxy S9. The problem is the battery is running very fast. So I'll show you in next steps how to solve this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel and I'll show you now how to fix this problem. So as you see here, this is my device number and model, and they all information of my device. So first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to device maintenance. Okay, so keep it for a little bit. We have 81%, which is little nice. Okay, so we optimize it now. So this is first step, total freed up 2.9 gigabyte. I get this space in my device. Okay, second thing, we go to battery. Okay, we have here some of the programs. You have to turn them on save power. Okay, this is second step. So we good. Then take a look here for the usage. We see which program, the percentage of using each one of them. So as you see here, the VLC take 21 percentage of the usage. So which is okay, no problem. Then we go back to device security. So everything is set. Then memory. This is very important. System and apps 2.1 gigabyte available space. This is in the memory. So we clear it now. Alright. Okay. So now we checked the device maintenance. Okay, we check the battery percentage and performance and storage. Okay, everything is perfect. Now we have one more thing. You have to go back to your apps. If you get this problem recently, so you have to check what application you downloaded recently. So some applications take some of them take high performance. They take high load on the device, so you need to uninstall them. Like for me, I did not uninstall anything recently, so they all installed like weeks ago. I had this problem 2 days ago. So we did the maintenance for the device. So you have a choice to uninstall the VLC, but I need it, so I'll keep it. But by doing all that, so we're supposed to be perfect. So thank you for following me, and please share it and subscribe. Thank you.